Okay, so now we have the pineapple that was harvested this morning. You can still see that it still has the growth here on the end. We're going to go ahead and cut the top of it off, and this will be planted and become another pineapple. So we're going to cut at about 1/2 inch below the top. Need a very, very, very sharp knife. Oh, you can see how juicy it is. Oh, it's going to be delicious. Okay, so what we do with this is going to stay out on the balcony. It's not going to go in water for the next week or so. This part will sit out here on the balcony. If the sun ever comes out here in South Florida again, actually going to face it toward the west, so in the afternoon it does get sun. This will eventually start to dry. It will start to curl in. Typically roots don't become visibly sprouted, but this is how we've propagated all of the ones in the past, so it's best to let them dry out. Like I said, this part will start to kind of wilt and curl around for about a week, and then this will go into a pot. Typically just use regular all-purpose garden soil for it,
right,
from Home Depot.
Something cheap.
Yeah, something cheap. Usually it has the tomatoes on the packaging, so no special soil. We do use a fertilizer for the African milk tree. So when it's watered, there's fertilizer that we use for that one, but none of the other plants get that. So there will be an update when this gets planted, but for right now we're going to cut this pineapple and give it a try. Wow, look at that.
Delicious.
Cannot
Beautiful.
wait. So yeah, we have a couple of different plans. We're going to eat part of it, we're going to save part of it. So bon appetit.
Like and subscribe.
Oh, yeah. If you like these videos, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you very much.